Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 14-inch gaming laptop powered by AMD Ryzen 9 4900HS processor. You can see from the box that this is a very standard ROG box packaging. Sorry, let me show you the proper perspective. There you go. This is what the box looks like. You can see the Republic of Gamers logo right over here. And let's quickly take a look at what other information we can gather from this box, because most of the stuff we have here are manufacturer information. On this side, of course, you will notice that it's mentioned that this particular variant, the variant for this particular laptop is Moonlight White. And that's more or less all the information we have on this box. Let's open it up and take a look at the components inside. This is basically a laptop carrying case, a bag, so it's a nice touch. Let's quickly take a look at what this particular bag looks like first before we move on to the laptop. So yes, you can see this is what this bag looks like. You have Choice of Champions written on top, right here. You have Choice of Champions written right over here. There's also Republic of Gamers logo right over here. There is a chain over here. There's one compartment. And this is compartment 2, of course, but there should be more compartments inside. Okay, let's get rid of this thermocol, a piece of thermocol. So yeah, there you can see. This is what the inside looks like. There is a compartment over here as well. This is for the laptop or other paraphernalia. There is also a there's also a lanyard on one side for carrying it around. It's a great touch as well. Now let's open this box and see what's inside. Okay, right off the bat you can see the Moonlight White laptop. I'm going to bring it out. Okay, let's get rid of this plastic wrap quickly. There you go. There are some more boxes over here. Okay, there seems to be a charging brick. What do we have here? Okay, this box has documents. So leave this on over here as well. Anything underneath? No, nothing. And we have one other compartment over here. This has the rest of the charging cable. Anything else? No. That's it. That's what you find inside this box. Let's quickly take a look at each of these components. Let's take a look at the documents first. So this is a user manual for the Zephyrus G14. You should read it at least once, of course. Next we have a registration document from ASUS, and this is a quick installation guide for basically how to charge your laptop, a guide on how to charge the laptop for the G series. And this is Light It Up. This is a graphic novel / comic book made specifically for the Zephyrus G14. It's a nice this is a nice marketing campaign, very nice touch. So I'm going to leave this over here as well. This is your standard 3-pin 250 volt charging adapter rather. So you can see it's written over here 250 volts. There, give you a closer look. Leave this here. And this is your 180 watt charging brick. There you can see. I'm going to leave this over here as well. Now it's time to take a closer look at the laptop itself. This is the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. The particular variant is Moonlight White. So this particular variant is called Moonlight White, and this design is called the Anime Matrix design. It's a very nifty design, obviously gaming inspired. You will see the Republic of Gamers logo on this side. Has a strong metallic chassis as well. This is what the underneath looks like. Lot of vents and fans over here to make sure that this laptop is cool at all times. This is a gaming laptop after all. There are some ports on this side. We have do we have focus? As soon as there is focus, I will show you. There you go. Yeah, so we have a 3.5mm jack, a USB-C type port and a USB-A type port along with a power port. And on this side you will see, yes, 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C type port as well. Let's quickly take a look inside. Let's remove this, and there we go. This is what the inside looks like. This is a 14-inch display. I will turn on the display so you can. So this is the you can see this is what the display looks like. It has a more or less thin bezel, and there are some information over here. There are 2 stickers over here. One says that this particular device has a Ryzen 9 4000 series processor. Let me quickly confirm. Yes, this is a Ryzen 9 4000 series processor and a GeForce GTX graphics card. In this case, it's the GeForce GTX 1660 Ti graphics card. This is not a full keyboard, like unlike lot of other gaming laptops. You will see the full keyboard. This is not. But however, there are the direction keys right over here. You can also use it to control the brightness of the keyboard. So I'm going to keep it down for now, and that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 14-inch gaming laptop powered by AMD Ryzen 9 processor. Thank you for watching.